Right, so these are the driver seats. We've got electric everything for this, for the seating. So this basically controls going back, forward, up, down, tilt it back and forward. We've got bolsters here. I don't know if this is genuine leather, but they're comfortable enough. I mean, it's lovely, but it doesn't really compare to the Lexuses I bought, namely LS430, LS400, and I think that's just basically the way car manufacturers are going. We've got the kind of F-Sport nuances with the aluminium style pedals, which I think is a nice little touch. So you are kind of quite cosseted when you're in, and you can adjust the seats to get into a comfortable seating position. That's not a problem. So let's look at the features here. So we've got like this brushed aluminium style dash. So you've got these are basically where passenger and driver can control the heated seats. Function for heated steering wheel, button for just EV mode up to 30 miles an hour, and we've got the gear shift there. This has actually got flappy paddles. I haven't used it, but I don't know if that's really more of a novelty. I'm not really into all of these sort of things. The important cup holders, you can put your latte there, whatever you drink, green tea. Armrest here, open it, revealing the USB socket there. So this is the infotainment system. This is where you've got the buttons for control for windows, etc. Let's look in the back. Okay, so in the back here, it's a bit dark with it being overcast this morning. It is a little bit cramped. I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, I'm about 5'11", and I do feel a bit squashed here in the back, and I think what contributes to that claustrophobic like feeling, if you look here, the pillars, it kind of obscures some of your view, which I think also so from a point of view as a passenger, you don't have as much sunlight coming in, but more importantly, I think as a driver your vision is somewhat obscured, and I think I don't like that design there. I think they could have maybe lowered the window there, allowing for better visibility and more increased passenger comfort. So I don't know if that's something Lexus will do going forward. But the seats are comfortable enough. You have armrest here with cup holders. I think one of the things you've got to remember when you're buying a Lexus, when you're buying Toyota, you are kind of buying reliability as well. So it may not be as plush as some of the other cars in its competition, but you can guarantee it's going to be pretty much reliable for the next 10, 15, 20 years with no issue. You look after them. And I think that's one of the attractions to these cars. I actually think it's quite a nice car. It's a cute little car if you don't want something which is big. If I was looking to get into the market for something like this, something similar, I personally would go for a 2015 shaped Toyota RAV4, because I think they're really nice finishing. They're spacious, reliable, and you can pick them up relatively cheaply now. So, but if you want something which is compact, I think this is nice, and I wouldn't be against this. If you want something which is small, easy to maneuver, and pleasant enough to drive with good miles per gallon, I think you're onto a winner. And with Lexus, you can't go wrong with the Toyota underpinnings, which essentially is what it is. The demographic of Lexus are people, I think, like myself. You may be in your middle-aged, have a beard like me, and you want something which is just basically comfortable and easy to drive and economical, and that's, I think, what Lexus are all about. If you could think of the underpinnings of the Toyota with a much more polished and refined finishing, that is the essence of Lexus. So you can't really go wrong. I'd rather have that, knowing that it's going to last and it's going to get you from A to B with no problem.